Ho ho hello, Holly Billy villagers. Today we have 3 presents to unwrap. They all look to be the same size, so I wonder if they're a matching set. Shall we start with the green, the red, or the blue? I think I'm going to start with the green. Here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a little house. What do we have? A reindeer stable. That says it's Blitzen. This is from Michael's. Let's open it up for a closer look. We have we have the back. Let's try that again. It's the back. Let's see what it looks like from the front. All right, let's take that out. Look at that. That's one of Santa's reindeer. You know Donner and Dasher. But do you know Blitzen? Blitzen has a little elf helping, and it looks like the elf is finishing putting up Christmas lights, maybe. Look at that detail. This is powered, so we're gonna plug that in later and take a look. I think maybe we've got a matching set, so we might take a look at them all later. Now, shall we go for the red or the blue? I think we'll go for the blue. Here we go. I'm hoping it is a matching set. And oh, I see another stable. Yes, I think it is a matching part of the set. This one says Dancer. So let's open up Dancer's house and see what Dancer looks like. Let's open up that one and see what it looks like. Now, do you think I'll get it right this time and get the front or the back? What do we think? Nope, wrong again. 50-50 and we're wrong again. Here we go. Let's take a look at the front this time. There's Dancer. Let's take Dancer's house out. All these elves are hard at work making the reindeer stables look great. This one's finishing putting up a wreath right there. So this house looks ever so slightly different. So we have Dancer and Blitzen. Now Dancer's house has a little bell. Well, maybe those are lights. I thought they were bells. All right, one left. Let's open up the red one. Any guesses which one this might be? Let us know in the comments down below. Here we go. Is it going to be Donner or Cupid? We have Dancer and Blitzen. And I see, oh, I was hoping it might be Rudolph. Look at that. We've got Dasher. Dasher. Let's open up Dasher's house. Here we go. One last chance to see if I can open the front side this time. Let's see. I did it! I opened the front finally. Dasher. This elf is hardworking as well, putting up the lights and finishing the decorations. That's funny to me. You would think the reindeer stables would be decorated all year long. I thought that's how it would be at the North Pole. So we have Dancer and Blitzen, Dasher. That doesn't seem like the right order to me. Let's see if we can put them in the right order. Dasher and Dancer and Donner and Blitzen. Well, we don't have them all here, but this is a little closer to the order of the song. We're going to come right back and plug all of these in and take a look in just a moment. Okay, you can see that we've got them plugged in now. So let's go ahead and turn on the power and see what happens. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Everything lit up. Even the lights on the stables lit up. There's some light coming. Oh, and look at that. The light over the stable lights up. I love the detail on these. Let's go in for a closer look. That's so nice. I like how they have candy canes on the outside. That's quite fun. So all three of these pieces came from the Michaels line this year. That makes me hope that maybe in the future, there'll be all of the reindeer. Do you know how many reindeer there are? Maybe you'll let us know in the comments down below if you can name them all. And maybe you know how to sing the song. You know Dasher and Dancer. Go ahead and sing along, friends. Don't forget to like, add, and subscribe. Happy villaging, villagers, and we'll see you soon.